we're at lock-up.
Yeah, it's going to come together really quickly at the end, I think. So we're excited about that. I mean, today's kitchen day. I'm loving my new kitchen.
Our
new kitchen.
The kitchen's obviously one of the final pieces in the whole puzzle. I think we've got some feature tiles in there. There's a nice green tile, right?
Yeah.
It's been obviously a long time since we started that selection process, and we're pleasantly surprised that we had great taste at that time.
We had the benefit of an interior designer that helped us early on, and so that just put my mind at ease. It meant that I could trust the process, don't overthink it, and now we're able to see the results of that in real life. I'm loving our feature tile in the ensuite. We've got some penny rounds in there. Grout hasn't been done yet on those penny rounds, so I've been checking to see like, what did I choose for my grout? And then I saw it was like a midnight colour. I'm like, okay, great. Past Amy selected nice grout, so it's good. That's my favourite part of the house so far, is that little tile.
Our supervisor, Reese, he's lined up all the trades all the way through to handover, like down to the minute almost.
There's no guessing where we're at. We just feel really in the loop on things with Reese, don't we?
Yeah.
It made a big difference to us, and so now we're looking forward to seeing it all done.
Really just got some little bits and pieces here and there to tidy up, a bit of painting and clean a few windows, and we'll be in.
I think we're looking forward to the moment when we get our key and we can move in.
Yeah, right. When
we've already
got the key in our hand.
Yeah, we've already got removalists booked, so we're ready.